It is vessels craniate of the diaphragm, the vein.
Okay.
A zygote.
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 Okay. Very important because you don't have it on the picture, so you know I'm going to ask you this one.
Which one?
That one.
The little hanging thing.
Hanging. It's this one.
Well, I mean, it's like the little left
This one.
little one.
Where that comes from?
What do you mean?
Comes
It's
from
coming
the
from the...
superior vena cava. Oh, there it is.
No, it's going to the
I mean,
superior.
yeah, to the superior.
This is the superior vena cava.
It's the vein.
It's a vein. It's going to it. This.
Superior vena cava.
Which is this.
What is it called?
A zygote.
Zygote.
The brachiocephalic vein.
Okay, so then you're going to go and then it becomes a Y here. See the Y? That would be the brachiocephalic, the Y. This one and this one. You know, this of course would be, you know, right and left. Yeah, the Y.
Subclavian vein.
Okay, so then from the Y, then you become the subclavian, right? So then it's number 7. After you go from here, then you become the subclavian. Right here, actually. Sorry. You pointed properly.
T on the subclavian? Okay, the Y is brachiocephalic.
Brachiocephalic, then you become the subclavian. Right there. See? Subclavian right here. Okay? Next.
Axillary.
And of course then you have the axillary, which goes right here, and then you have the subscapular, which goes down there. So axillary, these are way bigger.
Yeah, they're way...
Because the veins are thin. They're a lot easier than the arteries. The arteries, you know, are smaller and thin. Yeah. So that would be the what? Axillary, because going to armpit. This is going underneath subscapular.
And then brachioradiiocephalic is picture human only.
Okay. Brachial, radial, because from here then it's going to split. Picture human only. If you like.
Transverse scapula.
Okay.
Wouldn't it be the transverse jugular?
There's transverse jugular, but we also have the transverse scapular. Okay, the transverse scapular is over here, 8. But that would go right up, actually. Here.
Is that one that's popping out right there? Not that one.
Yeah.
Oh man, I don't know.
I'm trying to free it up so you can see
you
it a
drop
little
your
bit.
phone in there?
I know, it's just like in my little cloud, and I was like, oh wait, we're still looking for it.
No, yeah, I'm just trying to free it up a little bit more. Oh, actually, there it is. It faded out. You see, it started and then it faded. Like it. That's why I was like looking for the rest of it. But see, this is what it would look like without the latex. See, it looks all big and thing because the latex goes through. See, the latex faded out in it.
So that's
what sometimes happens.
Transverse scapula. Is that small, really?
It wouldn't. No, it would be actually. It'd be. Yeah. It starts off here, and then it does look more impressive with the latex
Yeah.
and blood vessels.
External jugular.
External jugular.
External, internal.
Internal. External, internal.
Anterior facial, posterior facial, picture cat only.
Yeah. Okay.
And then transverse jugular.
Transverse jugular.
Yeah, that was obvious.
That one's really obvious.
That one? Oh, that one?
Those ones are picture.
No, that one is crossed out.
Oh, really?
Yeah. You have it crossed out. But on our
Maybe
it's
highlighted?
posterior auricular.
Okay, cross it out. Try cross it out.
Cross it out. Okay.
Yeah, cross it out. But this is the transverse jugular. Okay?
Here's yours.
Guys, cross out posterior auricular on the left side.
Posterior auricular.
Okay. Vessels caudate of the diaphragm vein
That'd be here.
and adrenal lumbar.
That's this one right above the adrenal. See? That one's really obvious. Adrenal lumbar. Renal, also very obvious. It's the blue one going into the kidney. Right there.
Internal spermatic or ovarian.
In this case, ovarian, that would be that one, right?
Lumbars.
Going to the ovary. Lumbars, and then here's the iliolumbar over here.
Common iliac.
Okay. So, yeah. Hold on.
And there.
Here's a Y. That would be the common. Right there. See?
External iliac.
Okay, branches. So here's the common. So from the common, it's going to become the external and internal. See, internal, external. Now that it's going to external, then it's going to go to the femoral
And deep femoral.
and deep femoral. Femoral and then deep. Right?
Right.
Femoral, deep femoral.
Greater saphenous popliteal. Picture
Human only. That would be down there.
Inferior vena cava.
Inferior vena cava. That's below here. Right there. Inferior vena cava.
Hepatic portal system, hepatic portal vein.
Hepatic
Picture
portal
human
only. Yeah, because that's within there.
Coronary you have crossed out.
Well, I have it crossed out there in the cat. I mean, you can see the coronary veins because usually they don't. Sometimes they don't inject properly. Like here, you see coronary veins, but we don't see the arteries very well. But you have to know them, of course, from the models.
Right.
That one's really easy to see on the models. See, here you can only see the veins, but they're supposed to be arteries injected too. But a lot of times on the cats, they don't get injected properly.
And you crossed out intestinal, and we don't have it crossed out. Should we cross it out?
Are you sure you didn't cross it out?
No, it's red. See? I have red.
All right, cross it out then.
Cross out intestinal.
And then inferior mesenteric is picture human only.
Okay.
And finito.
That's it?
Finito.